So let's say we have the polynomial x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus 3 divided by x minus 1. So this time, we'll be using the synthetic division para mas madali yung pagdi-divide natin at para mas mabilis nating mahanap yung quotient. So we have here the divisor x minus 1. Let us equate x minus 1 to 0. And then, let's add 1 to both sides. So, cancelled. X is equal to 1. Okay? And our dividend is x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus 3. And with that, ang kailangan lang natin sa dividend na to, sa polynomial na to na x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus 3 is their numerical coefficient at the same time its constant term. So we have x cubed, numerical coefficient of 1, x squared, we have numerical coefficient of negative 5, and 7x, we have positive 7, and the constant term which is negative 3. So just in case na hindi kompleto yung ating polynomial, let's say, yung ating degrees dito, hindi siya 3, 2, 1, 0. Kapag may nawalang isa, halimbawa, yung x squared natin wala dito, ang numerical coefficient niya ay magiging 0. 0 represents for the second degree of the polynomial. Okay? And ang magiging itsura ng synthetic division natin, we have here x is equal to 1. So we have 1 here, kulungin natin dito. And let's write down all of the numerical coefficient and the constant term. We have 1, negative 5, 7, and negative 3. And then let's have this line. Okay? Compare with the long method division wherein we divide and subtract. In synthetic division, we are going to multiply and add. First step is to bring down the first numerical coefficient of 1, and then let us multiply 1 times 1, we have 1. And then let's add negative 5 plus 1, we have negative 4. Then negative 4 times 1, we have negative 4. Then 7 plus negative 4, we have 3. And then 3 times 1, we have 3. And negative 3 plus 3, we have 0. So therefore, our remainder is 0. And paano naman natin masulat yung quotient nito? If we have here a degree of 3 doon sa ating dividend na polynomial na x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus 3, ang magiging quotient natin, mag-uumpisa tayo sa degree 2. Ibig sabihin, 1x squared minus 4x to the first power plus 3x to the 0. Okay? So, sa ganitong pagkakataon, ang pwede natin gawin dito, instead of writing 1, pwede na lang siyang maging x squared minus 4x. And our last term here, 3x raised to 0, alam natin, any number or any variable raised to 0, it is equal to 1. So, therefore, ito na lang ay magiging plus 3. And this is the quotient when we divide the polynomial x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus 3 divided by x minus 1. Para malaman natin kung tama yung quotient na nakuha natin dito, which is x squared minus 4x plus 3, let's have a checking. Sa checking, imumultiply lang natin si divisor na x minus 1 times the quotient x squared minus 4x plus 3. Let's first multiply this first term to x squared. Ito ay merong x cubed. Then if we multiply x to negative 4x, we have negative 4x squared. And then same thing, x times positive 3. So we have plus 3x. And let's proceed to the second term. So we have negative 1 times x squared. We have negative x squared. And then negative 1 times negative 4x. We have positive 4x. And last, negative 1 times positive 3. We have negative 3. And let us add these products. So definitely, let us bring down x cubed. And then negative 4x squared plus negative x squared, we have negative 5x squared. 3x plus 4x, we have positive 7x, and just bring down the negative 3. And with that, their product is the dividend of our synthetic division, x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus 3. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, tama yung ating quotient na x squared minus 4x plus 3. We have another example. We have x cubed plus 3x plus 4x squared plus 12 divided by x plus 4. So, itong ating divisor na x plus 4, equate lang natin siya sa 0. We have x plus 4 equals 0. And then, let us subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. So, definitely cancelled here. X is equal to negative 4. At kung napapansin nyo, yung ating dividend na x cubed plus 3x plus 4x squared plus 12, hindi siya naka-arrange into descending order. So, ibig sabihin, dapat yung kanyang mga degrees or yung kanyang mga exponent ay pabawas. So, i-arrange natin. From this x cubed plus 3x plus 4x squared plus 12, ito ay magiging x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 12. Ayan. Sa ganyang pagkakataon, siya ay naka-arrange na into descending order. So, pababa yung kanyang degrees. Ngayon, kuhanin natin yung mga numerical coefficient nila. So, x cubed, meron tayo dyang 1. 4x squared, meron tayong positive 4. 3x, meron tayong positive 3. And with the constant of 12. Ayan. After nyan, gawin na natin si synthetic division wherein yung ating negative 4 dito ay nasa left side. Yan. And then, write down those numerical coefficient and the constant term. 1, 4, 3, and 12. And then, lagyan natin ang guhit sa ilalim. So, bring down the first term, 1. And then, negative 4 times 1, we have negative 4. Then, plus 4 plus negative 4, we have 0. Okay? And negative 4 times 0, we have 0. At 3 plus 0, we have 3. Negative 4 times 3, we have negative 12. And 12 plus negative 12, we have 0. So ngayon, paano natin susulat ito? Meron siyang 0. So nag-start tayo sa x cube. So ibig sabihin, yung ating unang term dito ay magiging, let's say, 1x squared. Okay? Plus 0x to the first power plus 3x raised to 0. Okay? Since our last term is 0, ibig sabihin wala siyang remainder. Ngayon, 1x squared is simply x squared and 0x to the first power, meaning mawawala na siya kasi 0 yung kanyang numerical coefficient. And then, 3x raised to 0, the variable raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, ibig sabihin, x squared plus 3. And this will be the quotient of the polynomial x cubed plus 3x plus 4x squared plus 12 divided by x plus 4. So, para malaman natin kung tama yung ating quotient, let's have this checking. So, let's multiply x plus 4 times x squared plus 3. Okay? Let's multiply x times x squared. We have x cubed. And then x times 3, we have plus 3x. Next, let us multiply 4 times x squared. We have positive 4x squared. And then, 4 times 3, we have 12. Tapos, i-add lang natin sila. So, bring down natin si x cubed. Ngayon, si 4x squared, wala dun sa taas na x squared. So, ibig sabihin, kokopyahin lang din natin siya. And then, yung 3x, wala siyang like term dito. Kokopyahin lang din natin siya. And as well as the constant term. So, kung napapansin nyo, tama yung ating product dito sa nandito. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating quotient ay tama din. So if we divide x cubed plus 3x plus 4x squared plus 12 divided by x plus 4 using synthetic division, the answer will be x squared plus 3.